Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Python project which is entitled as Prediction of Modernized Loan Approval System based on Machine Learning Approach, which is an IEEE 2021 conference paper. So in this paper, the main objective is to predict whether a new applicant can grant a loan or not using the machine learning model which are being trained using the historical data set of the banking process. So here you can see the training data has been given as input and the model is being processed and the prediction result is being shown. So as our proposed model, we have implemented using the support vector machine SVM, and the train accuracy we achieved is 0.80, which is around 80%, and test accuracy we achieved is around 0.82, which is around 82%. Now let me show you the data set. So this is the data set which consists of ID, gender, marriage status, dependents, education, self-employed, credit history, property area, income, and the application status. This is the complete data set. Now let us see the execution of the project. So just copy the source code location. It is in the desktop. So let me copy it. Go to the command prompt. Go to the source code location. Type python app.py and click enter. Now you can copy this URL, go to your browser, paste it, and now you can see the home screen or welcome screen of the project with the project title, Prediction of Modernized Loan Approval System based on Machine Learning Approach. So here you can see the login menu. Just click this login menu. So this is a static login page because we have not used any database to store the value. So just enter the default username and password as admin and click login. And once the login is successful, it will be navigated to the upload part. So where you need to upload the data set that I have shown you. So just go to the source code location where you can see that upload.csv file. Just select it and then click upload button. So once the dataset has been uploaded, you can able to see it, the preview part. So it will be navigated to the preview part where you can see the dataset. So as mentioned earlier, it consists of ID, gender, married, dependent, education, self-employed, credit history, property area, income, applicant status. So you can just scroll down till the end of the page and you can see the complete dataset has been loaded in the preview part. And now you can see the click to train or test button. Just click it. Now you can see the message training is finished and click OK. Now it will be navigated to the prediction part where now the system is ready to predict the application status. So here we have used the features of gender, married, education, self-employed, credit history, property area, and income. So for the scenario, I'll show you with both the cases in each. So first let me enter gender as male, married as yes, education as graduate, self-employed as yes, credit history yes, property area as urban, income as medium. So let me check the prediction result for this. Click the predict button and now you can see this applicant is eligible for loan. Now let me click the prediction and now let me check the other case. So let me select gender as male, married at yes, education as graduate, self-employed as no, credit history as no, property area as semi-urban, income as low. So now let me check the prediction result for us, click the predict button, and now you can see no, you are not eligible for the loan. And fine, let me show you with the other value. So let me enter the gender as female, married as no, education as not graduate, self-employed as no, credit history yes, property area as semi-urban, income as medium. Now let me check the prediction result for it, click predict. So now you can see you are eligible for the loan. So I have shown you with the few cases. You can also check with the other cases from the data set. Now let me navigate to the performance analysis part. So just click the performance analysis. So in the performance analysis part, you can see the precision and the recall value for both the cases of approval and not approval, and you can see the confusion matrix. Now let me go to the chart part. So in this chart you can see a static chart because we have not used any database as intimated earlier. So this chart has been depicted from the data set that we are trained up with, so which consists around 60% of approval and 40% of not approval. And let me log out. And this is all about the project prediction of modernized loan approval system based on machine learning approach. And thank you for watching.